Yes, good evening, everyone. How do I put this? Every corporate trainer has knowledge, correct? So, master trainers know how to make people feel that knowledge, right? Our next storyteller, Miss Satya, who will now present today's assigned storytelling challenge, will be taking you through it. Evaluating today's presentation is our judge, Ms. Megha Pawar, while our mentor, Ms. Sujata Jha, will support the trainers' learning through their reflection after their presentation. Yes. Ms. Satya, over to you. The stage is yours.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is Satyabhishek Mishra for you, a corporate trainer and a life coach. So, everyone, please tell me a hardworking lady or a very good lady who works for a society institute should be named as what is your say?
Interesting.
Yes, Mega?
Uh, Multitasker?
Okay. Sujata?
Sorry, I think I missed out what you
Okay.
were trying
Can you
to say.
repeat the question?
Yeah, please.
A lady who works in the institute is a hard worker, and the base of the institute should be named as
Okay. Institute should be named as, right?
no, the lady should be named as
Okay.
or should
Okay,
known
okay, okay.
as
Yeah. Okay. Maybe diligent worker.
Dinesh.
Yeah, I would say master of all.
Thank you. Radhika.
I would say CEO. Why don't you just give her,
Okay.
if you're actually naming her something, name her as a CEO because she's doing everything.
Okay, Smita.
Founder of the institution?
Very nice. Great. And Pranay.
The same answer which actually Radhika has said, CEO.
Okay. Well, we will come to that point. It was just an introduction. The title of my story is The Rude Lady. Okay. Now, when I came to this business, corporate trainer, then somewhere we have to collaborate with some or another institute. And in that process, I got into a person meeting who was the manager of a institute and also the founder. One or many times he used to say that one lady is very rude, one lady is not very good because of because of her there is pain everywhere. So I asked, what is the reason why you are not firing and hiring the one new one? He said, I don't know why I am not firing and hiring a new one, but we all are very much irritated, and she is a very rude lady to the institute. I asked, okay, maybe some of the ladies are in the menopause season, or in the maybe personal life is not very sorted for that lady. Okay, I was just, but once a doctor, always a doctor. Now I'm a corporate trainer, and now I am dealing with institutes. I was curious, but it's okay. It was a chit chat with the that manager. Now our collaboration was a very good bonding. In that process I went to his office, and I came to know that one lady is there who is here and there, everywhere she is there. If anyone is there asking big thing, that lady, small thing, that lady. But I think, what is this? Everything is everyone is asking for each and every job, but the lady face is not actually rude and not a charming personality. I must say she was well dressed, well combed, everything is there, but some irritation on her face was there. I also noticed, but why to put our my leg in another's torn cloth? That was in Hindi the different meaning. In English, I am putting it. this way. Now, because of our collaboration, it went very in a very good position. Then I came to know, whenever I am at that time I didn't have any office, so I was using his office only as for my work, for the collaborative work. Then I came to know, one day what happened, she was on leave, and each and every, there were 5 to 6 employees were there. Each and every employee was cribbing what, that why that lady has taken the leave. And notice, from the last 3 months I was in that institute using their office. Last 3 months she didn't take off, and one day she took off, and everyone was cribbing over her. That lady is very irritative, that lady is very rude, why she took off today. I was amazed kind of thing. Why? Because there was no one to one interaction with her. Whatever I have to get it at, till that time I didn't have any work from her. But I noticed that she was irritative, and she was all the time she was shouting or saying something or something in a loud voice. It's okay. Then I came to know, or one day, just like today it was cats and dogs, at that one that day also I came to, because of some work, I asked her something, and then I came to know that she was the oldest one. She was the one who knows each and everything with by heart, and also with dedication. Then what was the reason everyone was behind her? And also, one day leave for her was a matter of grieving for everyone. Then I came to the conclusion, as she was dedicated but doesn't know her own self-worth. She was available to everyone, no one, because she was hard worker, she was smart worker also. So everything was done by her. Now, if anyone is saying something, she do the work in a second, in a millisecond. So no one is getting the, no one is using her or his mind. And because खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है, and also that कि वो लोगों को खाली मिल रहा था टाइम, सो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो टाइम उन्होंने उस लेडी के पीछे लगा दिया. Now the politics started. I observed these things, and in a sugar coated words, I asked the manager, who was my friend and collaborator partner also. I asked that, have you observed this thing, because she's a dedicated lady also, and everything was done by her also, still you are cribbing about her. Then the manner he said, यहाँ काम चल रहा है ना, हमें अपने काम से मतलब है. It shocked me. Actually, the rude lady was the base and pillar of that institute, and still no one was respecting her. And I came to know that that lady also know that everyone was using her and not respecting at the level she deserved that. Then slowly, now I don't see me as a bagan in the thali, but now my soft corner went to her part and started to ask, why you are not taking steps? If you are doing hard work, you have all the knowledge, you are doing also, you are smart also, you are hard worker also, why you are not standing for yourself? Then he then after the talk, after my corporate training question, I came to know that she was lacking self-worth. She doesn't know how to say no, she doesn't want to say no, and there she was failing her personality, and also it was affecting her own life also. So that was the rude lady which I came across. And because of the all the scenario, she got rude also, and she got not at all respected also. After that, I came to know, and in my heart, it was actually hurting me. So I start to ask manager also. Now I start the free session, which was not, I should not do, but I start the collaboration with that person also for this lady. If you want that, if you want the pleasant environment in your office, let me handle this lady. And then I started to put the giving work to everyone with the help of manager only. And there I came to know that what is the self worth means. Why? If you are not, if you are doing everything but you don't have that self worth, you can't do anything. And there, as a corporate trainer, I achieved my motto. After a period of 5 to 6 months, it was okay. Okay, not, I am not saying in a in one night I did all the miracles, but during my 3 to 5 months of session, I just give the lady respect what she deserved, and I was very happy. And here is my call. Please, manager, see, if you are putting any name or any label to anyone, please see why it is happening. And if you need any type of training, or if you think, or if you are having such type of issue in your institute also, please let me know and let do connect with me. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Satya. It was very good, very, very emotional, and very thoughtful. So, yes, time to move on to the reflection segment. Megha, over to you. We would like your reflections, please.
Uh, Hi, Satya. Uh, a very nice story from one of your experiences. And as we are doing this story challenge today, I would like to know from you, um, how much importance do you give to the structure and the flow in the story when we are talking about the story? Um, when either you're delivering it or writing it or whatever. So, how much importance do you give to it?
uh, it is a very important thing for a storytelling structure, and it was one of my experience. So just how it happened with me, I said it that way only, but I must say structure is very important.
No, no, just not in your case. This is not just a general question related to storytelling, not what you told as a story in general.
Mhm.
When we are talking about storytelling, how much important the structure and the flow is. That just I wanted to know.
If I have to rate, it is 8 on 10 out
Okay.
of 10.
And how it help us.
Because then it will be in the flow of, you will be in the flow, and it will bind you with the story. If it
Okay.
is structured, then the audience will audience will get bind with the story.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Sujata, over to you.
Hi, Satya.
Mhm.
I really liked your story, and I have seen such experiences, such scenarios. In It's not about only corporate world. In real world also, like for personal life also, I have seen that a lady or a person who does more responsibility, he's getting so much complaints behind him, and there are people who are just sitting and pulling her legs and backbiting. So this happens. And as you very well said that yes, self respect was not there. So Satya, I just want to understand that you told that you manage the things. How did you manage, like how did you deal with that lady and at the manager same time and the whole thing was sorted? So yeah, I
Okay.
just want to understand
Uh,
that.
for the first thing that you said in the family also, that was the badi bahu of the society, the badi
Ah,
bahu of the joint family.
yes, yes.
Normally. And the second thing, how I handled it was handled just like, if it is not of her caliber, just like taking printouts,
Hmm.
kind of. If
Mm-hmm.
it is of her, not of her caliber, and if anyone can else also do, Why you are going? Go, Mrs. X, please, please sit with me. Please, please, anyone else, whatever, whoever the sub staff, please get it done.
Okay.
And for the first time, it felt very awkward, but slowly and gradually, it helped me. Maybe sometimes, if one has to call a client who that lady has the client's number, but still I posted and also make sure that instead of that lady, the other person should do that call.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Gradually, it helped me.
Yeah. Got it. Got it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. What, Smita? Feedback, please.
Yeah, Satya, the story that you narrated, let me tell you, you are a very generous person. That you pointed out the lady is in trouble or she needed the recognition on a whole. The initiative that you have taken, it's really appreciable. And the story was also interesting way that you have told us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Dinesh?
Hey, Satya, very nice story. As all
Can't
our
hear
stories,
you.
it's a very nice story, Satya, and not a story. I would say it's a live experience that you have shared, and really wonderful to have these thoughts. And sometimes you need a listener to a person, so that is what you have conveyed, and it came out beautifully. Thank you for this.
Thank you.
Yeah. Pranay?
Yeah. So Satya, like even I have the same pointers of Smita and Dinesh as well. Adding to that, like the moment where you understood like something wrong was going with that rude lady, and then you could catch that point, like she is the one who is doing everything, but not being able to get that recognition. So maybe that is what we all need to learn, uh, because everyone needs to get that recognition. So self worth is what matters actually. So the way you put it is actually the good one. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, time for scoring. Please score and give me a thumbs up. Please send it over to the main phone. And Satya, for me, I personally feel that any story is super strong, or is remembered by the audience for a very long time when it is full of facts. So that is what I felt your story had today. So kudos to that. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. It was wonderful. And let's give Satya a warm round of applause. Wonderfully told. Yes.